Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the server process is actually running and reports online. This avoids chasing network issues when the service is down. Next, make sure the Minecraft client version equals the server version because mismatches block connections. Once done, quickly check your PC and router firewall rules to allow port 25565, otherwise packets will be dropped. If you use server hosting, check the host control panel for a running instance and correct version so you can proceed to network checks. Now address network path issues. Connect with the direct IP port to rule out DNS or domain problems. If you host at home, assign a static local IP to the server machine and configure router port forwarding for TCP 25565 to that IP so external traffic reaches the server. Make sure to save and reboot the router if needed. Finally, confirm your ISP is not using CNAT or blocking ports. If they are, use a VPN or hosted server solution. These steps open the route so players can reach you. Finish by inspecting server properties. Leave server IP blank for most setups and set online mode to match your authentication needs. Incorrect values block joins. Restart the server after changes, then test from a different device and a separate network to isolate local issues. If you still cannot connect, temporarily disable the firewall to see if it's the blocker and review server logs for error messages. If logs show authentication or port errors, correct those specifics and rerun the connection test immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.